Hunan is a land of revolution. The gruesome battles of the revolutionary ancestors and the continuous struggle of generations have ushered in a flourishing present. This is a decade of striving. Hunan, with the pioneering and practical spirit, fulfills the tasks of targeted poverty alleviation. Hunan, by protecting the Yangtze River and lush mountains, composes an ecologically harmonious movement. Hunan, via deepened supply-side structural reforms and high-quality economic development, gives its people increased sense of gain, happiness and security. Hunan is forging ahead with firm steps. This is a decade of soaring. The high-speed rail will connect all 14 cities and prefectures, and the R&D of medium and low-speed maglev trains was launched. The transportation spans the mountains and villages. A large number of major projects inject confidence to our leap-forward development. With convenient new platforms of international trade, Hunan is making great strides towards the hub of reform and opening up. This is a shining decade. With the aim to explore the space, Beidou satellite shines in the galaxy. With the ability to drill into the ground, Hunan's construction machinery leads the world. With the focus on the deep sea, high-end innovative equipment has dived deep to search for secrets. Super hybrid rice continues to set the world's highest yield record per move. Innovation makes super no longer unreachable. In the extraordinary decade, Hunan has embarked on new ways to achieve high-quality development and will continue to draw a magnificent picture of the land of hibiscus glowing in the morning sun.